Hi, in this video we're going to discuss about string tokenizer class. In my previous video we had discussed about string buffer class. String buffer is basically used to create mutable string, when string tokenizer class is basically used to break a given string into small tokens as per the given criteria. The commonly used default delimiters are space, tab and new line characters. Now there are different constructs of string tokenizer. Now here public string tokenizer string str, here we are using only one parameter str, constructs the string tokenizer for the specified string. The tokenizer uses the default delimiter set, which is /t/n/r/f, and that is tab character, new line characters, carries return and form feed. Delimiter characters themselves will not be treated as tokens. So from this example you can understand it better. Here you can see this line, string tokenizer st is a new string tokenizer, and here I am using Java string tokenizer example, this line as a parameter, string parameter. While st dot has more tokens, it will look for the tokens. System.out.println st dot next token. So output would be Java, then the next parameter string tokenizer example. So like this we can break the string into tokens. The next construct is string tokenizer string str string delimiter. Here we are using two parameters, first the string and second one is the delim as parameter. The characters in the delim argument are the delimiters for separating tokens. Delimiter characters themselves will not be treated as tokens. So now in this example you can see how to specify a delimiter for string tokenizer object. There are two ways to specify a delimiter for a string tokenizer. At the time of first is at the time of creation by specifying in the string tokenizer constructor, and second method is specifying it in the next token method. So to specify the string tokenizer constructor, here I have shown this string tokenizer st1 is a new string tokenizer Java, then pipe, then string tokenizer pipe, and example 1. Now here the second parameter you can see I am using pipe as a separator. So while st dot has more tokens, system.out.println st1 dot next token. This is one method and it will print Java string tokenizer example 1. Now in my second method you can see string tokenizer st2 new string tokenizer Java pipe string tokenizer pipe example 2, but the second parameter as here is missing, and the second parameter here is used in this output statement st2 dot next token, and here I am using the I have mentioned the separator. So these are two ways we can use we can specify a delimiter for a string tokenizer object. Now this one is very interesting, this construct. Here we use four parameters, that is str the string delimiter the delimiter character, and boolean return delim. This boolean return delim, if we set as true, it will also return the delimiter characters as token, and if it is false then the delimiter characters are skipped and only serve as a separator between tokens. And from the example you'll understand it's better. Now here we are using string tokenizer st is equal new string tokenizer Java string tokenizer example 1, then the delimiter character I have mentioned over here, and I have said the third parameter as true. Hence the output will come as Java, then the pipe, string token as, then again pipe, and example 1. So the delimiter characters also will be written as token. Now we have other methods associated with StringTokenizer class. This count token, this method, the return type of this method is int, and it calculates the number of times that a tokenizer next token method can be called before it generates an exception. So now here you can see string tokenizer, st is equal to new string tokenizer, I am a boy. Now here to count the token, here system.out.print total tokens plus token concatenate and st.count token, and this will return the number of tokens present in the string. Now here 1 2 3 4, so hence the output will come as 4. Now next one is has more element. Return type boolean, returns the same value as the has more tokens method. Basically has more element and has more token returns the same. Now here you can see how were you checking elements, while st has more elements, system next element plus st dot next element. So output will be how are you. So this will simply print the element, and has more element we can use in statements as in conditions as we use the has more token method. Number 3 is has more tokens, the same thing. Now here in place of has more element we are using has more tokens, so it will look for the next token, and return type is boolean, true or false. System.next token is st.next token, so it will, so count token will give the counting of the total tokens. So how are you has 3 tokens, so it will print 3, and this statement will print how are you and separate lines. Now next element, return type as object, returns the same value as the next token method, except that its declared return value is object rather than string. So this is one point which you need to keep in mind. And st dot next element, moving to next element, checking the next to next element, system.print next element is st dot next element, so it will print r. So the first will move here and then it will move here, so it will print r. Next token, return type is string, returns the next token from the string tokenizer. I think I have already shown you, you have already seen many examples with next token. System.next token is st.next token. So it will return the first token from here. If we use again, it will return r. So like that it goes. Next token string delim, return type string, returns the next token in this string tokenizer string. Now here, how are you? We are using a slash character in between, and if we use the st.next token and if we mention the delimiter or separator, automatically it will print only, it will ignore the delimiter character and it will print